Meghna River, one of the major rivers in Bangladesh, specially famous for its great estuary that discharges the flows of the Ganges Padma, the Brahmaputra Jamuna and the Meghna itself. The downstream of Surma River from Ajmeriganj is often referred to as the Meghna. The matter would be simpler but for the fact that from Magna downstream for about 26 kilometers, in a straight line, one of the two channels of the Surma Meghna is known as the Dhaleshwari. The channel from Ajmeriganj down to the confluence with the Danu is referred to as the Surma. This confluence is 5 kilometers east of Kuliachar and north of Bhairab Bazar. Downstream from this point, the river is referred to as the Meghna. The Meghna has two distinct paths. The upper Meghna from Kuliachar to Chitnol is a comparatively small river. The lower Meghna below Chitnol is one of the largest rivers in the world because of its wide estuary mouth. The lower Meghna is at times treated as a separate river. The Meghna receives the old Brahmaputra on its right at Bhairab Bazar. A little above the confluence, the Meghna has a railway bridge, Bhairab Bridge, and a road bridge, Bangladesh-UK Friendship Bridge, over it. The width of the river there is 3/4 of a kilometer. Several small channels branching off from the Meghna and meandering through the lowland bordering the Tipura surface receive the flow of a number of hilly streams and rejoin the main river downstream. The most important of these offshoots is the Titas, which takes off south of Ghatalpur and after meandering through two long bends extending over 240 kilometers rejoins the Meghna through two channels in Nabinagar Upazila. Other offshoots of the Meghna are the Pagli, Kathalia, Dhunagoda, Matlab and Udhamdi. The Meghna and these offshoots receive water of a number of hilly streams from the Tripura hills. The important hill streams are the Gumti, Kakrai, Kagni, Dikatia, Hora, Soneburi, Harimangal, Pagli, Kurulia, Balujuri, Sonichari, Handachora, Jangaliered. All of these are liable to flash floods. The Gumti, Kakrai and Hora are the most destructive rivers. They have silted their beds to the extent that they now flow above the mean level of the land when brimful. Numbers of embankments have been built to contain them. But every other year one or the other of these streams overflows and causes considerable damage to crops, livestock and homestead.